used to love to sing.
No, it was just a silly hobby.
No, it wasn't just a silly hobby. You used to sing in front of a lot of people with, like, musicians and stuff, remember?
Ha! Thank you, Cody! That's what's missing! Musicians! Now, yeah! Go and find an orchestra!
Can you not encourage him, please?
Okay. If you sing.
Ay. Ang ina. Ang tilok niya. What the fuck?
What? Another chessboard?
Oh, this was my very first one. And it's not trying to kill us this time.
No, I'm not good at chess.
It doesn't matter. It's just for fun.
Maglalaro tayong chess?
Paano to?
Hey, Cody! Over here!
Knock out the player's king to win the game.
Can't
Oh,
wait
wala
to
ko
say
to.
checkmate.
Then you'll have to wait forever.
Doubt it.
Agagi, titira tayo, magcha-chess tayo.
Paano? Paano mo ginawa yan?
Why? Ikaw na.
May totoong chess? Pangit. Tara, ayoko na.
Hindi, maglaro tayo. Asan yung king? Ah? Asan yung king dyan? Ay, queen. Oh. Uy, clock out na ako.
Kakap. Close ko lang pong tab. Uy, di mo. Ako na ba? Ubus niya
Nag-clock out na ako.
Manalo na ako yan.
Uy, may time pala.
Oo, gaga. Pause ko.
Wait lang, ayun na. Close ko lang tong mga to. Ayan, all done. Tama na. Hindi yan. Yak! Hindi yan. Ay, ano pala to?
Oh shit, nakalimutan ko yan.
Tayo!
Galaw mo yung analog papunta doon.
Can you say Grandmaster?
Say Grandmaster. Why don't you eat it? Eat it! Eh, ang konti ng oras ko, talo na to. Just eat it.
If that
Wait,
move
don't I know-
scares you, Cody,
Nagkamali
just wait
ako
till
dun.
the next one.
Kamali ako dun ah. Naduling ako dun ah.
Smart move, huh?
Castling?
Bawal mo casting.
Bawal. Walang castling. Wala.
Wala.
And that's that. Gosh,
Anong
my
ginawa
brain
mo?
is so big.
Well, you can't win them all.
Ano ginawa mo?
Umalis ako sa chessboard.
Ay, ganon.
Ganun ba yun?
Tara na.
Paano yun oh? Nainip ako eh. Uy, nasa heaven na tayo. Naglalag ka.
Yeah. Wow, ano to?
Sa heaven
Or-
notes.
Wow.
Heaven notes.
Only heaven
Oh,
notes.
More instruments.
Nice. Let's try them out.
Only
All
heaven
this stuff brings back some
knows.
good memories.
I bet. Hey, is that your old piano?
Yeah.
Not
Let's
going.
see if it's still in tune.
Tinatamad ako. Not going. No, I'm not going. Sorry. Bang, wow. Ah,
Man of my refined tastes appreciates these best.
what?
Heaven knows. Ang gagawin dito?
Boing.
Ayun yung daan.
Tatat. Ay, ito. Gusto mong patugtugin yung Florelis? Nice. Bye. Oh, okay. What do we do? Wait, okay. Bang. Ay, I didn't die. Ah.
Bagad dito yung daan oh. Wait ako na, nasunog ako sa kandila.
What's this?
Dito yung daan oh.
Ano to? Dito.
May, There's a
Dito
flute
ka.
over here.
Bumaba ka dyan.
Doon pala tayo
Magpahulog
galing.
ka lang dyan. Pahulog ka lang dyan! Ah. Boom. This is for you. Ulit. Timing.
Buto.
Bang 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 bang. Ito.
You cut that shit.
There we go. You can cross now. You're welcome.
Excellent.
This is you.
Sisigawan niya ang Heaven Gate.
Wait, 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 wait.
What's that machine?
Hoy,
Oh,
you got incinerated.
Angry accordion. Those blasts look painful.
oh shit. Paano yan?
Let me figure this shit.
Ah, ako.
May target.
Ayun
I
o,
got
nasa shield ko.
Follow me.
Lead the way.
Left, right. Ay, hindi ka pwede. Saan ka? Ay, wow.
Sinusundan kita. Okay, go. Balik ko talaga?
Wala na.
Orchestra, no? Ano na naman kamulangan dito? Dito. Dito ka. Sa kabila. Wait, tingnan mo kung abot ko.
Ay, yeah.
Nalate ako.
Oy!
Garby. Tuloy na lang natin dito.
Ayoko. Ayoko.
Huh. Fluffy clouds,
Nantok
rays
na
of
ako.
light, organs.
Kasi hindi na pa-aircon.
I guess we must be in heaven.
Sad.
There's even an orchestra
Ah.
pit.
Yeah, but where's the orchestra? Hey. Hello? Anybody there?
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
They must have gone home for the day. Let's just cancel the whole thing.
No, 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 May! You have to bring the orchestra to your concert! But they have been kidnapped. Look! Over there! Look, look, look! Kidnapped by the devils.
Devils? In heaven?
Oh yeah,
Heaven.
makes total sense.
Right, huh?
Huh?
Exactly! But now, you have to go and save the orchestra!
Go? How? We can't walk on clouds.
Aha!
I want to eat my love. Or maybe piato?
Now
What
you
else can I eat here?
Go, go, go!
You can eat here.
No.
Hey, Cody! Do you see these floating notes all around?
Yeah, let's find out what they're for.
Oh, okay.
I see! The musical notes are connected to the doors.
Whoa, I'm flying like an angel in
sorry.
heaven.
Oh, I've got to learn to control this thing.
Gagawin ko.
Pulot-pulutin
Ah.
mo lang.
Ano yun? Ba't hindi na ako gumagalaw? Ah.
All right, just a few more bubbles to pop.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
What else? Where else? Ayun.
Ano yun? Ubus ko na.
Okay na. Meron pa?
Okay na. Punta ka na dito.
Ha? Ba't wala yung... Nasaan ka? Nasa kabila ka pala.
Para saan ka? Diyan ba?
Wala. Meron din kasi dun eh.
Ha? Muna tayo pumatay ng baboy.
Sa mga devils. Devil in heaven.
Hey, yo, devils!
Where's the orchestra?
You will never find them.
Oh, yes, we will.
Ah!
Oh, sorry, Cloud. My bad.
No, wait. Look. They're hidden in the fog.
You will never get the keys.
Putang ina nyo ha. Pagsisigawan ko kayong animal ko kayo.
Oh, yeah? Just laugh it up, crazy devils. Because we're about to bring it.
Bring it.
Let's
Bring
go.
it on.
Cody, keep hitting those clouds.
Sorry, Clouds. We need your tears to clear the fog.
How do you hit it?
Party.
Ay, kung kanina ko pa na ano, pinifigure out. Kailangan ko silang usok.
Oo, kailangan ko. Unang daan. Yung kabila naman. Ano natin yung kabila?
Naiiyak sila.
Titirahin mo. Iiyak ko yun ang tinitira mo. Titirahin mo. Ayan, pwede na tayo. Hawakan na. Meron pa sa kabila. Yung sa kabila muna.
Ah,
Okay, mamaya na. Patayin muna natin yung muna kayo.
nasaan na?
Oo, ako na yung suso. Yung kabila naman. Isa.
Anong buksan ko? Okay na.
Hey, Cody! Have a look at the orchestra!
Ano yun? Wala silang mga ano.
Damit lang.
Ulo lang yung wala sila. Weird naman.
Right, that's half of them. Let's get to the other side.
Meron pa?
Yung kanina.
Do it.
The orchestra.
Yeah, excuse me. Devils? Yeah, we're gonna need to borrow that orchestra that you got locked up in there.
We will never let them out.
that's annoying.
Let's get those keys.
Huh?
Go Devils! The laughing sucks!
Cody, focus on getting the keys.
Hey! Hey Devils! You don't belong here! Give us the keys!
They won't listen to you. Just take them out.
Hey! You see those Devils?
Dami nila. Sino dyan? Ayun. Ayun, may ano, may ilaw. Yung may ano, yung may rainbow sa ano niya. Ay, ganon. So, patay natin lahat. Kinuha niya. Kinuha niya.
Cody, find the devils with the keys.
Ayun. Did you get it? Di ba sila naubos? Di ba naubos sila? Ayun na. Nakuha mo na. Ano ba yan? Ang creepy. Walang ulo. May kamay.
Siyempre, anong gagamitin nila magsusunod?
All right, I think that's all of them. Let's head back to the stage. It's pretty impressive, right?
I've never sung with a group as big as this before.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
No. It will not be fine. It will be fantastico! Yeah! Yeah!
Kasya. Shy.
Lovely! Good job! We're almost ready. The only thing missing is
The singer.
audience.
Oh, no.
Ah,
Not an
audience.
audience.
Yeah! Do you want the last letter piece or not?
Hey, that's blackmail.
No! It's therapy. Now go and get an audience.
You got it, Book.
Yeah!
Kakasundo sila ni Cody.
So, are you two a team now?
Yes, we are, as a matter of fact. Now let's get that audience.
Oh.
I think we're all done today.
Come here.
We're all done.
Come check this
We're
out.
all done.
Tama na. Kaya, kukawa na. Ayoko. What's in it for me? As if naman.
Hey, buddy, over here.
What's up?
Bar?
Can you let us in?
Club?
Sorry, kids. No minors.
Kids? No. We're just small in size, that's all.
Yeah, right. Get out of here, kiddos.
Excuse me, we are adults.
You have some ID?
Oh, no, we left it at home.
That's what they all say.
Yo! Glow stick! They're with me!
Dr. Akeem, my bro, they're with you?
Yeah! They're my clients! Come on!
Sorry about that. Welcome to the club. Enjoy the evening.
VIP's coming through.
Not so cocky anymore, are you? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Let's dance!
May lasa ko pa yun.
AI.
It's a disco.
Where is the origin?
Where's the audience?
Whoa! This is surreal!
Surreal, but fun!
Huh?
Huh?
You're back!
Let's go!
It's a me! Cody! I know to pull up now!
Ina? Control na to.
Yeah!
Mauuna na ako sa'yo. Uy!
Catch up, mates! More fun together! Try again!
See how long you can keep that lead!
Yeah! Stand!
Oops! Ah! Save mistake! Oh,
You can do it!
you can do this! Oh,
Tama mo na.
Yeah!
Bye! I need water.
Ándale!
Andale!
Well, I guess I'm still speaking.
Ayun, layo mo ba? Kuha mo ng tubig.
Gusto ako dito kanina eh.
Woohoo! Made it!
You're back!
Wow, finally!
Salamat.
Impressive sliding, Cody!
It's a skill I take pride in. But that was a lot of fun.
Ako naman.
Wow! Platforms are moving to the beat!
Tanga-tanga.
Gusto akong magaling.
You got away from me.
Ano yan? Ah, ikaw. Kailangan.
Ay! Dire-dire.
This is the weirdest nightclub I've ever been to!
Weirdest,
Uy!
weirdest, and most awesome ever!
Oops, where do we go? Sing on it.
Putulin mo yung ano.
Ano?
Tubig.
Wala naman eh. Oh.
Ayun o, napuputol. Yung kabila naman. Uy, napuputol ito. May crack na to.
Meron na.
Yung kabila naman.
Yan.
Ano pa?
Wala man, mure.
Ito, nagkabungal na iwa mo. Nakita mo ba yung gap?
Normal ata yan eh.
Yung isa yung putol mo yan, yung kabila.
To. Sige nga, kanta ka lang. Gayanin mo. Ganunin mo, baby.
Luluwag.
Get, jump.
Wait, no, my symbol!
Forget it, Cody!
Whoa, it's rolling! Move it!
Dance, Cody!
Stop teasing me!
You said you wanted to party!
Yeah, but not with my life at stake! It's getting faster!
Party harder, Cody! Move those legs! Oh, it's gonna jump!
Oh, please, no!
Oh shit, I died. Gabi, iikot na yan. Wow, kabuhay mo ha. Ay,
That's it. Where's the fucking audience?
This is cool.
Race you, the barbell, race you.
Hey, May. You know this has been hands down the weirdest experience of my life. I'm glad I didn't have to do it alone.
Yeah, it's been crazy, dangerous, nerve-wracking.
wow. Ay,
Fun indeed.
Oh shit.
para ng mga alien to?
Walang kumanta, putang ina.
Do you hear that crowd, May?
Oh my
This
god!
is exciting!
Tingnan mo pa ako, pag-letter D ko.
Wala man ako.
Oy!
Like stick. Sila yung audience.
Hey, we didn't do anything.
Why are they booing at us?
Okay, baby, groove it! Woohoo! Come on, glow sticks! Dance with me! What are you doing? Where are you going? Come on, glow sticks! Hey, Cody! May! Play some music! Make them dance!
Maybe they will if you leave the dance floor.
Yeah, dude, seriously, I think you're scaring them.
No way, baby! I'm killing it! Can't you see my hip gyrations? Woo!
Oh, please stop.
Oh, please, no.
Woohoo! Oh my god, my moves are so good! Look at this, right, left, But to make the audience dance, you need to play the music! Get the audience on the floor! Let's DJ, baby!
Oy, DJ.
Woohoo!
Oh.
DJ. What's this?
All right. Let's figure out this DJ thing.
I'm sure we can make them dance
Ay,
again.
parang ano, baby? Yung explain.
Tungkol sa kabila.
Saan po?
Yan, ikaw dyan. Yung RS, yung sa kabila, right.
No!
Yung right analog.
Ay,
Boring!
ano nga? Boring? Ano pipinten?
Lalabas sa ano.
Ay. Eh, mas gusto ko pa yun.
Yeah! Damn! Yeah!
Eh,
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Did I do that right?
That's right. Come on!
Hindi ko pa inabutan yung isa.
Tignan mo siya.
You like it?
Yeah!
Boom!
Ay. Nawawala yung mga dancer natin.
Really?
Oh yeah!
Tignan mo siya.
Digga digga digga.
Yeah!
So close!
Bakit sa'yo?
Isang para matapos. Sayo-sayo ako.
Feel it? We're actually doing well, May. The crowd is coming back.
Yes!
Yeah.
Let's keep this up!
No!
Ito ah. Uunahin ko yon bago yung isa.
Sayo, ako na kukuha ko ng isa.
Wow, the crowd is really loving it! Maybe this should be our new ringtone!
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Cody and MC May. Yo.
Oo, uunahin ko yung isa. Eh, loko. Pink na pink na. Yung tumasayaw si Cody.
The audience is all warmed up and ready for your concert. Come on, let's go.
Inigop niya lang. Uy, oras na. May pasok ka pa mamaya.
I think we're inside the
Abot
audio
pa?
cable.
Whatever at this point! Wait! What are we riding on?
It's a hoverboard. No way. I always wanted one of these things.
Ako na nakatingin pa lang.
Ay. Ayan ka pala. Paano yung talon eh? Iba na yung boses ni May.
This is amazing.
Ito na ang monster of the journey.
Na Derby.
Hindi na lang namin dito ako.
Sleeping. Ayan. Goody. Shit, di pala naka-charge.
Ang tangin ng dami
Look
na
at
lang ako dyan.
them. Yeah, look at that audience. They're excited.
Yeah, so am I.
Are you ready for your performance, May?
Are we still missing something?
No, we got everything we need. It's showtime, baby. Woo!
Showtime!
You hear that, May? You hear the anticipation?
I haven't performed in front of an audience for ages.
May, it'll be fine. Just think of them all in their underwear.
Yes, that would make you relax. Cody, let's go prep the stage.
Okay, Buck. Hey, May. Break a leg.
Break a leg.
I can't do this.
Break a
I
neck.
can't do it.
May, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know.
Oh, yes, it does. If it's not perfect, I'll let them down.
No, just sing from your heart. You weren't born to be perfect. You were born to be you.
Eh.
Ayaw na naman mag-read yung sim. Buisit ka tong...
Dito, mariread niya yung chip.
What are the conditions? I don't like what you are offering, so I don't want to go. What? What? Ayaw ba din? Sim failure.
I'll sing now, oh my god.
Uy, you're walking the red carpet. Haha.
You wanna change?
No.
Sing from the heart.
Sing from the heart.
Ano kaya kakantayin niya?
See the light.
Iya, yan na.
Sing from the heart. Didn't wanna sing from the heart.
Ang gagawin nito? Nanonood lang ba tayo? Ay, ginagalaw pala.
Control ko pag Ayan. Sisindi mo yung ano niya.
Spotlight.
Sing from the heart.
Boom!
Let's go. Break a leg. Sing from the heart. Red carpet, blue carpet, so many carpets. Uy, orchestra.
Hi,
Okay,
guys.
guys. Don't let me down.
Oh, ano
guys.
yan? Ano yan?
Don't let me down, guys. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Kinakabahan ka ba?
Hindi, tinignan ko lang sila.
Oh shit, nasaan yung chan ko? Aray.
Patakla.
Wala pa ring signal, hindi ako makapag-data.
Dito meron signal.
Come on, May. You can do this. I
You
believe
can't
in you.
do this.
Come on.
Ang dali lang ng ano nung kay May, yung kay Cody, ang hirap-hirap ng passion niya.
Yung plantita.
Eh, tinan mo siya, oh, mongoloid.
Uy, kawawa nga yan eh.
Kawawa siya, sige.
Mahuhulog pa niya sa butas.
Ano may hawak niya? Jukebox?
Mom, I found your favorite song. You can listen to it when you feel better. I love you, Mom.
Iyak ka na niyan eh.
Duh.
Iyak na ako.
Grabe yung mga audience
do
niya
this,
from
May.
the club.
I know you can.
Ayaw magano ng sim. It's sim failure. Why? Anong kanakanta niya?
Wala pa, maghintay ka.
Orchestra. Tas classic pala yung kakantayin niya, no? Oo, gaganon siya.
Eh, yan lang kakantayin niya.
Gagi pang orchestra nga yung ano niya.
Ah, ganyan siya, yung walang lyrics.
Oo. Parang yung yeah.
Itong ino. Babalik na sila.
That was beautiful, May.
Thank you.
Thank you. English niya, no? Hold, why? Uy!
Ay, sorry.
Why?
I'm doing it.
Hold it!
Hold.
Hey. Isa pa niyan. Hold mo yung sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy hanggang lumapit. Huwag mong tigilan.
Stop. Oh, tapos na.
This is so amazing. What a game. Like a regular chat.
Chat.
Could have played chat.
Míralos! Oh, look at them. So beautiful. Love
Love.
heals all. Adios!
Oh my god.
Tapos na yung game.
Oh my god. I'm gonna
my
cry.
Oh, you're gonna cry. Ah. That's it?
Rose. Cody,
May!
it worked.
Yeah, we're back.
Where's Rose?
I don't know.
Oh,
Rose?
Aro na-kidnap siya. Siya naman naging doll.
May,
What?
a letter.
Dear Mum and Dad, I'm sorry that I did this to you. I know how to make everything good again.
Ay,
All
naglaya
you
siya.
have to do is stop fighting. I know I'm not a perfect daughter.
Wait,
Don't.
what?
I'm sorry I don't like to brush my teeth. I'm sorry I read books after bedtime. I'm sorry I don't put my toys where they should be. I know it's my fault you want to divorce.
She's blaming herself.
She thinks it's her fault.
I'll leave you alone so you can become friends again. You should be friends. I love you, Mum. I love you, Dad. P.S. I have my pocket money to buy a bus ticket. Don't worry. I packed a sandwich and a lollipop.
Oh no.
Rose.
Rose!
Sweetie!
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about me. You can go home.
No. Rose, honey, it's not your fault that we've been fighting.
It isn't.
No, Rose. It was never your fault.
Okay. So... does that mean you can become friends again?
Honey, listen, whatever happens, your mom and me, we will always be there for you.
And will always love you.
Always.
Okay.
Come here.
Book! Si Book!
Where did you find this?
I found it at school. In a trash can.
Well, I'm glad you did.
Sometimes you can find real treasures in the trash.
Come on. Let's go home.
Tapos na yung game!
Okay, so Rose, if your mom had to fight
Hello?
an aggressive squirrel double her size,
Umiiyak
think
na
would
ako
win?
eh.
Mom, of course.
you're right. And that's why I like to hang out with her.
Cody, I used to think you were completely irrational. But I have to say, you make more sense now.
You did it! Collaboration! Tapos na!
Ayan mga pinagpapasukan natin. Oh.
I have no reason to go there anymore.
No!
Who you, Josephine?
Saan?
Josephine Person.
Jack Parson. Jacob Larson. Kaka-right. Parson. Parson Larson.
What?
Person
Tapos na.
Parson Larson.
Yeah. Okay na. Tama na.
Wait lang.
Tigilan na. Wala na yan eh, oh.
Hindi na lang natin may after credits. Yung ano, ayan oh.
Ay.
Joy. Ano na pangalan?
Wala na yan.
Kaya mo mag-play. Kaya mo. Ba't mo pinost? Ako na una pa natin natapos siya kaysa Eden. Naka-record hanggang dito sa ending.
Naka-record ka?
2 hours, ilang oras na. Lalaklakin yan to, upload ko na lang sa YouTube para na-delete ko na. Mengchi.
Uninstall ko na. Wala na ako laro. Hindi kaya nila update yan.
DLC?
Anong DLC?
Downloadable content.
Ganon? Yung pala yung ibig sabihin ng DLC.
What a golden game. SBP,
Ano pa nga
SBP?
alamin mo dyan? Senior Vice President.
Ano? Wala, kailangan lang natin tingnan credits para lang naman ma-honor natin ang game. Ganyan kasi pag natatapos yung game, dapat bigyan mo ng honor.
Honor?
I-honor mo, honor. I-honor.
Sige, your owner.
Yeah, your honor. Ay,
Your
mga
owner.
tester, oh. Ganyan gusto kong trabaho, oh.
QA tester.
Lalaro mo agad yung game. Tapos may titingnan mo lang ang mga bagay. Lalaro yung mga.
Ang galing, no?
Sweldo mo no, 100k. Tangin na, naglalaro ka lang.
Ano eh?
Tangin na, ang dami nilang pinatest, no?
Ang daming QA tester.
Ano? Uda Carrera. Ano pa yan? EECC tester.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Kulang. Nantok na ako, loko. I wanna sleep.
Wow! Hindi mo ko pa mayari. Skipan na natin na. Skipan mo din, no?
Pwede palang skip eh.
Bibigyan ba tayong award? Hoy, yun na yun. Okay, I'm gonna upload this shit.